Hey, family, it's your girl, Chef Evelyn here, and happy Friday, or whenever you're watching this video, but this video is going live on a Friday, okay? And I wanted to come to you with another one of the channel updates that I promised you, which is my Foodie Find series, or things that I find cool and interesting in food or kitchen gadgets or anything like that. And so since I'm getting ready to go out of town, actually by the time you're watching this, I'm probably on a plane or have landed, okay? But I wanted to film with you something that I was inspired to do by the YouTube channel At Home with Nikki. So maybe about a year or two ago, At Home with Nikki did a traveling coffee kit, and I thought it was the coolest thing. I am not a coffee drinker. I'm super caffeine sensitive, but I do love a good cup of herbal tea or flavored tea, a hot tea. And I love it year round, right? It's just like a nice moment for me to relax and do my thing. And I really enjoy it when I'm traveling. So I decided to put together a kit for myself. I actually had put together a kit as a Christmas present the last year for my mother, because I told her about it and she is a huge tea drinker. She's always like, I just want tea and a cookie. And so I want to show you my travel tea kit. So I got this little container from the dollar section at Target. I think it was $5. And listen, you can use makeup bags, and I'll link to At Home with Nikki's and to her video about her coffee kit. Hers is a lot cuter than mine. This is like my first go round. I'm definitely going to be adding some updates to it, but I kind of want to show you what's in it. And I love it because, listen, let me tell you, I'm going to give you a bougie warning right now. Like, listen, if you know me, you know I'm a little bouge, okay? You know I'm a little bouge, and this is like bouge on steroids, right? So this is for the plane, this is for the hotel, this is all of that. I want to bring my own things. So, I love it that it's a zipper pouch, and it has all the things that I need for an amazing cup of tea right here. So inside, I bought another pouch, and inside of this pouch, it actually holds my tea and my sweeteners. So I have honey sticks inside of the pouch to sweeten my tea. I have different flavored teas. I love a good ginger tea. I love a good passion tea. Like, let me tell you, my favorite tea is this one right here. I don't know if you can see that, if it'll focus. I don't know if it'll focus. But passion tea, I love ginger tea. And I've got a couple of other teas in here. And so I keep all of that in this little zipper pouch that fits inside of this bigger pouch. Also inside of there is my little tea bag rest little plate. And it says, but first tea. And I got this at World Market because you always see but first coffee. And I'm like, well, what about those of us who are not coffee drinkers? And I also got it in this gray and gold to match the bag, okay? And then because I'm extra bouge, okay, I also got a gold spoon. As you can see, I haven't even taken like the tape or anything off of this, so I'm going to take all the little stickers and stuff off of this and wash everything before I go. But I got a gold spoon to stir my tea. And then with that, okay, I have my cup. So this is my mug. It is a real mug, and it's gold. And my mom actually got this for me as a gift, and she got it, I believe, from Ross. And so this is the mug that's part of my travel kit. And I personally love a good shortbread cookie when I'm having tea. It's like just like a little me moment, like a little treat, like a little thing. And so I got these individually wrapped Walker's pure butter shortbread. Listen, I think these things have been around since the beginning of the time, but they're so good. They're perfect with tea. So I just keep them in this cup for when I'm traveling. And then also inside my tea kit are some napkins. So I got some really cute gray and white kind of marble looking napkins. And then what At Home with Nikki didn't have, but I decided to do, is I also have some disposable tea cups. So if I feel like I'm in a place where I'm not going to be able to wash out my mug, or something like that, or if there's somebody that's traveling with me and they may want a cup of tea also. I got these really cute mugs from Harlow and Gray, and they've got a little bit of copper on the bottom. I wish I could have found some really cute gray and gold ones, but you can't microwave these because it's got the little copper on the bottom. But I got these at Marshall's on clearance for $1.50 for a pack of 8, and I thought they were super cute to go into my kit. And so I just pack all of this in here together, and I put it in my carry-on because it doesn't have any liquids. And the way it works is I literally just can ask for hot water. Sometimes when I'm even co-working here in Dallas, I will, be at a place and just ask for a cup of hot water. And yes, I am super bougie. I have my own cup. I have my own spoon. I have my own tea. I have my own napkins. I have my own little tea rest. But I think it's super cute. I think you can do this in a variety of colors. You can do it, get really cute bags, really cute mugs. Makeup bags are really great. So this outside bag, like I said, I got from Target, I think was $5. The little small bag that I put in with the teas and the honey sticks, I think was $3. The mug was a gift, but you can get like a cute mug that's your favorite, and you can put all in here. You can do this for tea, you can do this for coffee, and I think it's really great. I think it's cute. It matches my computer bag because my computer bag is gray and gold for when I travel. You could do this as a gift to someone who is a tea drinker or a coffee lover, and just give them a whole little like me moment all together. So anyway, this is my travel tea kit, and just thought I would share that with you. Something cool, something you could do when you're traveling, if you are a tea or a coffee drinker and you're particular about what you like. And so, anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you are enjoying the changes to the channel. And if you are, let me know if you want to see more videos like this where I'm just sharing like little food things that I do, or food things that I find. I will see if I can link to the shortbread cookies, and if Target has this in the description. But if not, where you can get these kind of bags. They're everywhere. So anyway, I will see you in my next video. Peace.